Okay guys, today we are bringing you this amazing area view of Adako Jachie township located here in the Ejisu Juaben Municipality in the Ashanti Region of Ghana. This town can be found on the Accra Kumasi main road before you get to Ejisu township. It is found in between Fumesua and Krapa. The town is noted for the famous Kumasi Asante Kotoko training grounds project, as it is located in this town. As you head towards Ejisu, there is a town which has the Kumasi Accra main road passing through it. Just opposite this town, you find the Kwamo township, another beautiful town, as you can see from the shots just opposite where you are watching right now. This town can boast of some few industries, some few businesses, and it's a very nice and beautiful town, well asphalted with beautiful palace, and the area is very nice, as you can see from the area view that you are watching right now. We'll take you inside the town. As you watch this beautiful town, you will love it. This place is just an amazing and beautiful area. Please enjoy this video and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel as you watch the full video to the end.